Alright, so I think I'm recording. Actually, on this Skill 5e Day 2, I thought there was 9 problems that had the same directions. There were actually 11 problems, so I had 2 more problems to do that I meant that to be on the previous video, but we can do these real quick. Again, these 11 problems were using the change of base formula. You must know these properties, these equations for logarithms, and for the first 11 problems we're using this change of base down here, primarily used when you're using a calculator. Our scientific calculators will have a common log button, which is base 10, and they'll have a natural log button, which is base E, but they don't have a log base 7 button. So here it's wanting us to be familiar enough with the change of base formula to use the common logarithm. That's what I've been doing on most of these. So it wants me to take the log of 38 and divide it by the log of 7. And I've already set the calculator to round to 3 decimals. Now, over here for number 11, it wants me to do the same problem, only using the natural logarithm. So it's just really wanting to emphasize that these are going to give me the same answer, these ratios. So let's illustrate that on the calculator. I have, using the common logarithm, 38, close the parenthesis, log of 7, and to 3 decimals, I'm getting 1.869. And if instead I use the natural log button, the natural log of 38, close the parentheses, divided by the natural log of 7, I'll have the same ratio. I'll have 1.869. So even using the different buttons. Now, I'm not claiming that the numerators are equal or the denominators are equal. I'm saying the ratio is equal. If we compare the log, they're not going to be equal. If we compare the log of 38 against the natural log of 38, they're not equal to each other. So when we say that the fractions are equal to each other, we're saying that this ratio is the same, not the numerator and denominator. The log of 7 is not the same number as the natural log of 7. But when you perform these ratios, they do have the same ratio. Hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.